Hello, and welcome to our English Learning channel. Today, we'll talk about morning routines, what people do when they start their day. You'll hear simple English sentences, see clear examples, and watch short video demonstrations. Listen carefully and try repeating the sentences to practice your speaking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss any of our future videos. All right, let's get started.
I usually wake up around 7 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes slowly and stretch my arms to start the day. Then I turn off the alarm and try not to fall back asleep. For a few minutes, I stay in bed and think about my plans for the day. After that, I get up and make my bed to keep my room tidy. I open the curtains and let the sunlight into the room. Next, I go to the bathroom to wash my face with cool water. I brush my teeth carefully and look in the mirror. I take a shower to wake up and feel fresh. I dry myself with a towel and put on comfortable clothes. Then I spend a few minutes doing my skincare. After that, I brush my hair and get ready for breakfast. I go to the kitchen and turn on some soft music. First, I drink a glass of water before eating anything. I make a cup of coffee or tea to boost my energy. Then I prepare a simple breakfast like toast, eggs, or cereal. I sit down and enjoy my breakfast while checking my phone. Sometimes I read a few messages or scroll through the news. I take a few minutes to relax before starting work. Then I write a short to-do list in my notebook. I check the weather to decide what to wear. After that, I choose my clothes for the day and put them on. I make sure my outfit looks clean and neat. I pack my bag with everything I need for the day. Then I pack some food and snacks to take with me to work. Sometimes I take care of my plants in the morning. I take one last look in the mirror before I go out. I check the time and realize it's almost time to leave. I put on my shoes and get ready to head out. I say goodbye to my family or housemates. I step outside and enjoy the morning view. I walk to my car, unlock it, and open the door. I get in, start the engine, and adjust my seat and mirrors. I drive off, enjoying the quiet morning and soft music. I arrive at my destination and start my day with a smile. And that's how my morning usually starts.
Great job watching till the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new English lessons and fun practice videos. You can also visit the channel and explore many more lessons with English words, quizzes, and interactive videos to help you learn in an easy way. Each video will help you practice listening, learn new words in context, and feel more confident when speaking English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, a little English every day makes a big difference. Thanks for learning with me, and see you in the next video.